A scientist studying the life cycle of dragonflies counted the number of dragonflies in a certain habitat each day for 46 days. On February 15th, there were 99 dragonflies in the habitat. The percent increase in the number of dragonflies in the habitat from January 1st to February 15th was 12.5%. How many dragonflies were in the habitat on January 1st? So on February 15th, there were 99 dragonflies. And we need to find out how many dragonflies there were on January 1st. So we'll just say they were X dragonflies. And we're told that we went from X butterflies to 99, and that was a 12.5% increase. So what this means is that we had an X amount of initial butterflies, and then over the course of this time period, we got 12.5% more. So 12.5% of X were added. And so 12.5 converted to decimal, you just move the decimal 2 places. So 0.125 times X. This is 12.5% of X. And that's how many were added to get 99 butterflies on February 15th. So X is the initial value. 12% of X is how much were added, and that gives us the total of butterflies we have on the 15th. So we just need to solve for the value of X, because X is how many butterflies there were on January 1st. So this X has a coefficient of 1, and 1 plus 0.125 X, we can just combine these two to get 1.125X equals 99. We can divide both sides by 1.125. So then this cancels out, and we're just left with X on the left-hand side and 99 divided by 1.125. So we can get our calculator. 99 divided by 1.125. That's equal to 88. So that means on January 1st, there were 88 butterflies. And after a 12.5% increase, there were 99 on February 15th. So there were originally 88 butterflies on January 1st.